Jai Narayan students, welcome back here. I hope all are well. But this period, COVID-19 time, this rule is follow. SMS. S means soap. M means marks. S means social distance. I hope all are this rule is follow. SMS. Okay, now start the chapter number 3, water resource. But I introduction for myself, Nidhi Lal. Today I discuss for water resource. Water resource introduction. What is the water resource? Water resources are those sources which we are currently using to satisfy human needs or which we are not able to use today but can be used in coming years as the technology advances. It means the first example currently using to satisfy human needs. This example is related to river, rainwater, lakes and ponds. Again repeated my words, water resources are those resources which we are currently using to satisfy human needs. It means example rivers, rainwater, lakes, ponds, or which we are not able to use today but can be used in coming water as the technology advance. So for example like glacier and ice cap. Next, now about 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water, but out of this only small proportion is that of fresh water fit for drinking. Now see the example for processing. Fresh water is 3%, oceans 97%, ice cap and glacier is 79%, groundwater 20%, lake 52%, water with living organism 1%, rivers 1%, water vapor 8%. So accessible surface fresh water. Now again my words, about 96.5 words of the total volume of the world water exists, the oceans and the only about 2.5% of water. The fresh water is mainly obtained from surface runoff and groundwater that is continuously being renewed and recharged through the hydrological cycle, being ensured that water is a renewable resource. Now see, water, land 25%, water 75%. Now see again, fresh water, my words again repeated, 2.5%. That means about like that example image, 96.5% of the total volume of the world water exists was oceans and only about 2.5% in fresh water. Okay, so the fresh water is mainly obtained from surface runoff and groundwater is mainly obtained from renewed and recharged through the hydrological cycle, so which ensure that water is a renewable resource. So India is received for only 4%. Now rainwater harvesting. What is the rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting system is a viable alternative to multi-purpose project. Rainwater is used for life because need for rainwater harvesting. Why is need for rainwater harvesting? To reduce decline in groundwater levels. Sustainable development. Are you know that now? What is the sustainable development? Because my previous chapter also discussed the sustainable development. क्लियर, जिसमें हम फ्यूचर प्रोडक्शन के लिए अपने रेन वाटर को डेवलप करते हैं टू इम्प्रूव द ग्राउंड वाटर क्वालिटी, टू इंक्रीज एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्शन, टू इन्हांस इकोलॉजी बाय इंक्रीजिंग वेजिटेशन कवर एंड लास्ट पॉइंट टू ओवरकम inadequacy of surface water to meet our demands, because demand is need to start to overcome inadequacy of surface water to meet our demand, to reduce decline in groundwater levels, to improve groundwater quality. It is the most important for rainwater harvesting. So are you clear ki why need for rainwater harvesting? Okay, next, advantage of rainwater harvesting. What advantage? Okay, now I discussed lower cost of water storage, efficient distribution system, no wastage of land, environmentally friendly, and increase of productivity of aquifer, reduce flood hazards, increase groundwater levels, reduce soil erosion, no exposures to evaporation and pollution. So this is the rainwater harvesting topic. So finally, I hope कि all topics are clear. Next, water scarcity. What is the water scarcity? Water scarcity is a result of depletions of limited ability of fresh water. A large populations require more food, so agriculture is required on a large scale. So as more water is required, the supply of water to wells and river gets reduced. The states, for example, like states Punjab and Haryana suffer from overutilization of water. So similarly, number of industries have increased, which too has put pressure on water resource. As apart from heavy uses of water, so they also require hydel power to run them. So this is the second factor. All are clear. Next, third factor is the increasing of over exploitations, wastage, excess irrigations, increase the industrialization and water pollution and low rainfall. So all our factor is clear. But last and not the least, at the problem of water pollution, are you know that domestic and industrial wastes have made of water sources unfit for drinking. So water stress thus leads to water scarcity and can cause ecological crisis. So we need to build dams, reserve and lakes like an ancient times to conserve water and solve the problem of scarcity. So I think all topics are clear. Now how to conserve them? Write on both the side of paper. Use the policies of reuse, recycle and reduce. Use the bicycle for short distance and turn off the switch when not in use. Stop the wastage of water. Do rainwater harvesting. Try to maximize the use of solar energy. So how to conserve them? This factor is related to all are clear. कि first of all reduces means कि write on both the side of paper. Reuse the policies of reuse, recycle and reduce. Okay, reuse the bicycle for short distance, turn off the switch when not in use, stop the wastage of water and do the rainwater harvesting. Try to maximize the use of solar energy. But multi-purpose project also discuss next chapter dams and river. So this topic is completed only introduction for water resource. Now next lecture for discuss only reverse map and multi-purpose project for dams. Okay, because again my words repeat क्योंकि your syllabus reduce for theory only coming for reverse map and dams. Okay, thank you.